Hello, this is Darin Martineau here from Master Magic University, and in this video I'm going to talk about my new product, which I call Mentalism Secrets Volume 2. And in here, you're going to learn 44 amazing mental card miracles. This is $39.99. So you're going to get, it includes 44 instructional videos. You're going to learn lots of incredible new uh, mental card magic here. I have what I call the backfire predictions card effect. I have a bigger little club, which is a great mind reading mental card magic trick. By touch alone, which is created by Harlan Tarbell. Color divination, which is an effect from Charles T. Jordan. Double stop, which is an effect from Carl Fulves. Some of these are my own, and some of these are classics. It's a mix of things. You're going to learn a Milbourne Christopher effect called Easy Thought of Card to Pocket. It's so easy and simple, and it's a very powerful close-up mental card routine. You're going to learn one of my own creations, which I call Gambler versus Magician versus Mentalist. You're going to learn Magic versus Mentalism, which is a Ted Anman effect. You're going to learn the Marlowe Future Reverse and my new open prediction with that. You're going to learn the open prediction, another one which is created by Ed Marlowe. You're going to learn the Torn Deck Mystery, which is Ed Marlowe routine. You're going to learn a mental card routine. You're going to learn new invisible plan. You're going to learn the new time travel triumph, which is an incredible thing with involves the triumph and a watch, and some prediction and a prediction mental card effect. Very awesome. You're going to learn my new bent and torn asunder coin, where I bend the coin and I even tear it. This is absolutely phenomenal. You're going to learn an effect called New Coincidence, which is my variation of one of my mentors, Roger Klaus routine. You're going to learn the new Digit Discovery. You're going to learn the new Flying Cards, which is my version of the cards across. I combine 5 different cards across and a mental thought of card across as well. You're going to learn a lot of self-working card magic on here as well, such as the new Incomprehensible, which is my variation of an Al Thatcher routine. You're going to learn the new Miracle Pulse Reading Prediction, which is my own original routine. You're going to learn the new Spectacular Prediction Coincidence, which is my variation of a Frank Garcia routine. You're going to learn new Swindle Slice, which is my variation of a Peter Kane routine with a business card. You're going to learn new Topsy Turvy Prediction, which is my variation of a Bob Hummer effect. You're going to learn the new Triple Prediction, which is my variation of a Peter Kane effect. You're going to learn another open prediction, and then another one called Miracle Prediction. So 2 more of that. You're going to learn one of my main routines that I teach to all of my students, which is called Overkill, which is an incredible self-working card effect created by Alan Ackerman and Ed Marlowe. And this is based on one of the oldest effects in card magic, the clock card trick. You're going to learn psychic poker. You can read 5 people's minds. Really incredible principle here. You're going to learn my new mental card routine called the quadruple coincidence. You can watch a demo that I have on here as well, video demo, performance video. The thought speller, a great speller routine with the thought of card. You're going to learn the spin the bottle card prediction. You're going to learn my original, the big deal. You're going to learn the birthday trick, which was created by Jack Avis. You're going to learn something that a presentation that I've created based on a self-work card routine I call the Da Vinci Code Aces. You're going to learn my original mental card effect, which is a blockbuster, which is called the Faded Card. You're going to learn the new Smiling Mule, which is my variation of a Roy Walton effect. You're going to learn the Impossible Pulse Reading Card Trick, which you can use the principle as a impossible card location, and you can use these principles with anything. You're going to learn the Perfect Prediction, which is created by Chester Morris, who's a magician and an actor. Well, he was long ago. You're going to learn something I've created, my original red card stab, where I do a card stab, and for the finale, I change the knife into a red knife. Super visual. You're going to learn my original triple business card prediction, which was inspired from a Michael Skinner effect, and I added 2 other effects to it with 3 business cards to make the triple business card prediction a wonderful effect. Great way to hand out your business card. You're going to learn the rising card. I teach 6 ungaffed methods. You're going to learn my my blockbuster effect called Weighing the Aces, and you're going to learn the ultimate mental telepathy, which is a Max Maven effect. So click on the link now, and this is available. This is called Mentalism Secrets Volume 2, and these are 44 amazing mental card miracles for $39.99. So please like and please subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to get my free Master Magic course, click on the link, put in your name and email, and I'll get that to you straight away, including free magic video tutorials. So all the best in your journey, and thank you very much.